Ooh, check it out, y'all. We are back once again with another video. Sorry for these voiceovers, but hey, you know, I gotta sit here and explain it to y'all, have y'all understand what the hell's been going on. So check it out. We got this 1.9 liter getting freshly put together. Went ahead and put on the clutch. As you see, I might have taken it off because I might have done something wrong, but it's all good. Sometimes you gotta, you know, go back to go forward, and just to understand, you know, why. So I went ahead and did that. You see me putting it back on. We're good. There's a whole lot been going on, but yeah, I hope you guys are excited. This is really one of those key moments right here where I was excited. I was working, getting this clutch on, and I, you know, from there we put the motor in the car. But I'll let you guys go ahead and just peep this real quick, show you how I've been.
What's up, guys? We're back with J Fresh's NB. Right now we're confirming timing because it won't start, but it cranks. So how you feeling right now?
Feeling good. Timing is a pain. Sorry for the headset.
He's in the zone right now. We gotta figure this out because it's been a few days, almost a week, and it's still ain't starting. And it's taking a toll on his soul, so we gotta really figure it out right now. So right now we're working in here, making sure everything gets put on right. We gotta retime this bad boy. Cross our fingers.
Alright, you heard Tubbs. We gotta keep our fingers crossed. Ooh, take a look at that cracking manifold. Wow. Looking crazy. So me and Tubbs right here, we had to go ahead and redo the timing. Apparently I had the cam gears on incorrectly. So the timing was definitely not gonna match up even if we tried. But went ahead and got that fixed. I went ahead and, oh my gosh, getting this belt over the intake cam is probably one of the worst things ever. Literally, like, you know, if we had that cam locker tool, probably wouldn't be as bad, but man, this double wrench method is cool, but it's not guaranteed. So went ahead, it took us a few tries for this one, but we got it down, and I'll let you be the judge of how this all works out in the end. So hope you guys enjoy this one.
Alright, we're tuning in back with you guys. We got the car timed, and now we're gonna start it. J Fresh is here with his computer. He's doing his little tech guide stuff, and we're gonna go ahead and start this up and write out. You excited?
Ready. To the moon we go. Woo, little studio.
Yes, sir. Right now.
We in the studio.
Yeah.
Right, let's do this right now. First of all, we're gonna go ahead and calibrate.
What kind of calibration are you doing with it?
GPS. Right now I'm off the throttle. We're gonna get the current. I'm gonna get on it. 2 seconds.
Dude's a real tuner. He's funny, man.
We're gonna go to required fuel. Type in your engine displacement. Now I upped my engine displacement by half, so now it's gonna be 1861, or in real layman terms, 1862. And head down over to
Start the vehicle.
the ignition settings.
Wow.
Wow. So we have all of our settings correct. Rising edge, going, wasted spark, cam input, and trigger offsets at 10. We're gonna close. I'm gonna go ahead over to our fuel settings. I'm gonna make sure we have the right numbers in here. 1 second. Wow. So we're gonna check the force flow 640 cc dead times, and on 13.2 volts I have a 4-bar map sensor in the megasquare. It's gonna be at 1.261. Cool. So those values look correct.
Wow.
Next we're gonna go to general settings to make sure everything here is correct. Perfect. Now everything should be good to go, and we should be able to start the car. Let's try it. No, I feel you, gang. Oh God, he's just gonna suck me in.
You see it, we're gonna hit 25 PSI.
Oh. Okay. Woo! Woo!
Let's go.
Any leaks, any squeaks? God! That shit fire! He said, I'm really working it. I had to turn off the computer, I turned everything off because we ain't touching no more shit. Let's just, alright, cool. One more time for the one time.
Gang shit, no lame shit.
Do it for the line. Open the garage, because God, it's gonna get in here.
We gonna pass out.
It's over, bro. We really gonna die. It's not, it's real. Alright, for the live.
Did it smoke? Is that hella gas in there?
Yeah.
Damn, bro, your shit's smooth.
Wow, it sounded fire.
Fire, hold on, don't start it yet.
Oh my God.
Let us build up on this live first. We got
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get money.
Woo! Get him in here.
Isn't that crazy?
It's crazy. We got the car to start. The timing problem is fixed. It's fire. J-Fresh is dummy hyped. We're all dummy hyped. It has finally come to.
We got ready right here. Stay.
You ready?
Ready?
Hold on. Let him get in here. Miata first start. Don't leave this chat. Stay in here. Give me a couple more minutes. Let's get some more people in here, y'all. Let me see. Let's do this. One time. Do this first.
Take 2 right now. Right now. Get ready.
Yeah, let me reload Tuner Studio. I got too excited to turn.
Oh yeah, it's going down.
Turn this bitch off.
Damn, good shit, man.
Dang, I told you.
Yeah, we ain't waiting a month. We don't do that. Oh, I should get a little camera right there.
You like that?
Oh shit.
So the government can spy on me?
Oh, the government. Hey, the government's spying on you right now as we speak.
Cover your webcams. Oh, the feds. They working hard out here.
They heard us, man. They heard the call.
Yeah, they know. It's coming. It's coming. They said, oh shit.
Sir, I think he has awakened. Oh yeah.
He said it should just fire right up. I knew it was me at that
We're gonna
point.
start the car. We got 3 people in here right now.
Stay
4
tuned.
people in here right now.
4
Let's start
people.
the car, guys. We started this our first start.
Right
on
now.
1.9 Miata
Forged.
build.
Turbo Daddy.
Turbo Daddy, as you guys can see.
Gang shit, no lame shit. All the lights are green.
Oh, yeah.
All the lights are
All
green.
So,
Here we go.
people get in here. Here we go. We're gonna do this first start. I'm ready whenever you are, boss.
Alright,
Go
one
ahead and hit
second.
them with this first start. They're waiting for you.
I'm coming in.
They need to hear it. They need to feel it. Here we go. We got 6 people in here. First start. Let's do it.
Alright, real quick.
Yes, sir.
And there you have it. The NB 1.9 liter Forged Turbo Daddy is now completed.
Now we can tighten.
And now all we gotta do is just tune her and we're good to go right out. Stay tuned, drop a comment, like, subscribe.
Start one time.
Here we go again.
I'm trying to figure out what's screeching.
It's over.
The power steering. Hold on.
Power steering belt?
Started? Yeah.
Alright,
I think it's the power steering belt. I think we gotta tighten it a little bit more.
a little bit more, for sure.
We're in the game.
So I can actually tell you it could be that or the alternator belt. In 1 second. Did you tighten the pulley?
Yeah.
Right.
This car louder than a motherfucker.
Yeah, that 3-inch is crazy.
That shit with the cracking downpipe. No, he got a cracking intake. I'm sorry. No, it's not a crank. I don't know what it's called. I'm sorry, guys.
Power steering.
There you have it. We got the MB to turn on. Make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, share to your friends, hit the little bell on the side so we know when we drop. It's gonna be fire. Stay tuned. Once we get this bass tune on this MB and have it all fixed up, it's gonna be gas on the street. So make sure you're ready, because we ready. We're gonna hit it. So my car is up next. So we're gonna see 3 turbo Miatas on the Creative Garage channel pretty soon. So stay tuned. It's going down.